I've created something new for you, a free YouTube series I'm calling the 2-Hour Workday Freedom Funnel. This isn't just another set of tips. It's a step-by-step series that shows you why most online businesses fail people like us, the simple rhythm that keeps you consistent without burnout, how 100% profit products actually work, real stories of everyday people who went from panic to peace, and how you can start moving forward with clarity and confidence. Here's the best part. You don't need to spend endless hours learning tech or hustling harder. You'll see exactly how to create freedom in just 2 focus hours a day. And today I'm going to kick off why most online businesses fail you and what to do instead. Are you still chasing side hustles that promise freedom, but somehow you end up more tired, more skeptical, and more broke? You're not alone. Let's talk about why that keeps happening and what actually works instead. My name is Melissa, and I'm a stay-at-home grandma and RVer who loves the freedom lifestyle. And like so many others, I've had to start over more times than I can count. I used to jump from one online opportunity to the next. Side hustles, courses, systems that promised, this time it'll be different. But no matter how much effort I put in, I felt like I was just spinning my wheels. I'd work late nights, pay for subscriptions I didn't understand, and try to follow strategies that seemed to work for everyone else except me. And every time it didn't work out. I carried the blame. I thought maybe I wasn't tech savvy enough. Maybe I was too old. Maybe it was just too late for me. But I was wrong. Here's what I finally realized. Most online businesses fail people like us, not because we don't work hard, but because they were never designed for us to win. They were built to keep us buying, not succeeding. They teach you pieces of the puzzle, but never the whole picture. They hand you the tools, but no structure. And structure is what creates freedom. If you don't have a clear system, something that shows you exactly what to do and when, you end up in that constant cycle of hustle, burnout, and disappointment. What you need isn't more information, it's direction. Something simple, step by step, that fits into your real life, not a fantasy schedule. When I finally understood that it wasn't me, it was the system, oh my gosh, I felt relief, real relief, because I realized I didn't need to keep starting from scratch. I just needed to plug into something proven and structured. That was the turning point when hope started to come back, where I could finally believe that freedom was still possible for me. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through the exact rhythm that is changing everything. With this structure, it will help you build consistent progress without burnout, no matter how busy or overwhelmed you think you are. Because the truth is, it's not about how many hours you work. It's about what you do inside those hours. If this message hits home for you, comment ready below and I'll send you the step-by-step blueprint that helped me finally break out of survival mode and into freedom. And I'll see you in the next video where we start putting the pieces together.